Hi everyone, welcome back to Financify, your go-to channel for quick and easy finance tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer money from your Monese account to another bank using your mobile app. Let's dive right in. First, launch the Monese app in your mobile device and make sure you are logged in. Once on the home screen, look for the Pay button at the bottom of the screen. Then, tap on New Payments. On the Payments screen, select the option that says Send to Bank Account. If prompted, choose the currency in which you want to send the money. Fill in the recipient's bank details including recipient's name, bank account number, bank name, sort code if applicable, then enter the amount you wish to transfer. Double check to ensure the amount and currency are correct. If needed, add a payment reference to indicate what the transfer is for example, rent or gift. Carefully review all the details, recipient's name, account number, sort code, amount, and currency. Once you are sure everything is correct, tap Continue or Next. Confirm the payment by following the on-screen instructions. You may need to authorize using your passcode or biometric verification. Wait for the confirmation message or notification that the transfer has been successful. You will see a summary with the estimated arrival time for the funds. And that's it. You have successfully transferred money from your Monese account to another bank using your mobile. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Financify for more quick financial tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.